Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile phone signal enhancement with the best solution on the market, the mobile phone signal enhancement stickers. Are you tired of dropped calls and poor reception in areas with weak signals? Look no further. These signal enhancement patches are designed to boost your cell phone signal and improve reception, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Let's talk about what makes these stickers stand out. First off, they're compact and lightweight, making them incredibly convenient to carry around. Whether you're in an elevator, a building with thick walls, or even out in the wilderness, these stickers will ensure you have a strong signal. Now, you might be wondering, how easy are they to install? Well, it couldn't be simpler. These stickers are self-adhesive, meaning you just peel off the backing and stick them onto your phone. It's that easy. No complicated setup or technical knowledge required. But the real question is, do they actually work? The answer is a resounding yes. These stickers effectively boost your cell phone signal, reducing static and improving reception in a variety of environments. Say goodbye to dropped calls and hello to crystal clear conversations. And with 5 sheets of signal booster chips included in each kit, you'll have more than enough stickers to last you a long time. Plus, you can share them with friends and family, ensuring everyone stays connected. But wait, there's more. These signal boosting stickers aren't just limited to cell phones. They can also be used to enhance signal reception on other devices like walkie-talkies, buzzers, and cordless home phones. Talk about versatility. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate solution for boosting your cell phone signal. Mobile phone signal enhancement stickers. Don't let poor reception hold you back any longer. Grab your pack today and stay connected wherever you go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.